Have you been sweeping things under the rug all winter? I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and I'll tell you about a spring cleaning trick that's sure to help right after this. Looking for easy home improvements? Instantly refresh the look of your bathroom by changing the grill on your bath fan or by adding one with a decorative light. If your mirror stays foggy after a shower, it's time for a new bath fan altogether. The Braun Upgrade Kit lets you convert your bath fan to a new one in less than 10 minutes. In the kitchen, consider replacing your range hood with a Braun under cabinet hood. It's so easy to install, you don't even need a contractor. Learn more at Braun.com. Braun New Tone, come home to fresh air. Once spring cleaning gets into full swing, you'll probably want to take your household rugs outside for dusting while you clean underneath them. The problem with moving large rugs is that after you roll them up, they tend to fold or break in the middle when you try to lift them. That not only makes it difficult to carry the rug, it also causes the rug to lose some of its shape so that it won't lay flat for a while. Next time you need to move a large rug, try this. Roll the rug up diagonally from corner to corner rather than from end to end. This causes most of the weight of the rug to be centered in the roll while the ends will be much lighter. So when you lift the rug from the center, the roll doesn't break. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.